guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys to the Kpatawee waterfall within Bond County, and this is a drive from Phoebe all the way to the Kpatawee waterfall. You are going to see a lot of towns along the road. Over 7 different towns you are going to town or villages you are going to pass by before reaching to the Kpatawee waterfall. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that whenever I post a new video, you can be able to know and you can join the family too. Yep, I'm here to showcase Liberia and just show you around my beautiful country. So enjoy this video till the end. There's a beautiful waterfall, the Kpatawee waterfall. Thanks for watching.
Why even try to justify leaving? Why not just run away? Why even wait and hesitate breathing? Why would you wanna stay? Nothing you say can change the way he feels. Nothing could save you now. So just let this go. Out on a string without a wing flying, no one to hold the kite. He let you go, but still you blow by, oblivious to the height. Check out behind and you will find nothing's holding you to the ground. He just let you go. Shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Yeah, shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Take a step and calmly walk away. wanna stay. Nothing you say can change the way he feels. Nothing could save you now. So just let this go. Out on a string without a wing flying, no one to hold the kite. He let you go, but still you blow by, oblivious to the height. Check out behind and you will find nothing's holding you to the ground. He just let you go. Shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Yeah, shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Take a step and calmly walk away.
Welcome to Kpatawee waterfall. So everyone, welcome now to Kpatawee waterfall. This is the place, and they are advanced this place. The fee to enter this facility is $5 US. Yep, and if you want to stay in of these tent that you are seeing, is $35 if you are bringing your own tent, and if you want to stay in this tent, you can pay $45. It come along with breakfast for the night. Yeah, so the place is such a beautiful area for relaxation. There are a lot of trees. The air is so refreshing. Yeah, so whenever you come to Liberia, if you are in Liberia, if you want to visit this place, you won't regret it. It's such a beautiful place, guys. So that's just it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and enjoy the view. This is a great kpatawee waterfall in Bon County. No, quoi? I love few trees. So sad. It's flowing, coming down like this.